Kaya for today's video, ayan, papalit tayo ng LCD keyboard tsaka housing ng unit na to, Acer. Tatanggalin na natin ang screen.
Big jobs, big vehicles, big bills. There's no limit to maximum puppy power. Let's go with all new Revelum Crew. Coming soon on Nick Jr.
But nothing gets past my pancake dragon.
Hop and hop cats. That pancake dragon's garden of pancakes.
Never get my pancakes back now.
Never say never, Crusher.
Yeah, we've got a power that's stronger than any dragon.
Ooh, what power is that?
We've got giving up, superheroes. Well, I'll take care of that. Pass those heroes with It's time for strawberries.
When your kids are on a mission, building up valuable social skills like teamwork, problem-solving abilities, and learning to be helpful.
Ano na gawin? Diyan mo yan.
Tanggalin natin.
Ayun labot ha.
Ayan, so far, ang ganda ng nyo. Ayan, magmula sa gilid, corner by corner, i-check po natin yan para malaman natin kung may problema. Ayan. So far, okay siya. Ang ganda ng kulay. So, okay, pasado ang niya, LCD.